Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to this Orgie Company video. Electric Fellatio is an arousal lip gloss for kissing and oral sex, formulated with jumbo extract, the active ingredient from a plant found in the Amazon rainforest region. This Orgie product is perfect to surprise and arouse lovers with its instant vibrating and tingling sensations. Its tutti frutti flavor adds an extra element on fun and excitement, and with a vibration scale of level 6, you can customize the intensity of your experience. Electric Fellatio is very discreet. Its roll-on bottle makes it easy to carry and use just anywhere. And is very simple to apply. Using the roll-on bottle, apply it directly on your lips and you can reapply as you wish. Electric Fellatio lip gloss elevates your kissing oral sex game to new heights. Still, if you wish, add an upgrade to the whole experience. Orgie suggests combining it with Wow buccal spray. To get the idea, I invite you to watch our video about Wow and join me on the video about Sexy Vibe, on which you will get to know more about the jumbo extract, the peculiar active ingredient that Orgie brings in to all its vibrating products. Thanks for watching us. Goodbye and dare yourself.